We are going to start off with body waves on the ground. I will give you a brief tutorial. First, start off with a seal stretch. Then press your chest towards the ground and stick your hips up towards the ceiling. From here, you are going to roll up, then arch back as far as you can with the arms by your ears. Open the arms and circle the arms forward and curve your back into a C-shaped position. Then go back to a seal stretch and lay down. We are going to repeat this body wave 5 times. Up next, 10 bridge rocks, followed by a 10-second hold. Let's get started. Press up into a bridge, then slowly rock back and forth 10 times. On the last one, hold for 10 seconds. I will put a timer on the screen so you know when to come down. Now hold for 10 seconds. Take a moment to relax your back by doing an upside down pike position. Up next, 10 bridge sits, followed by a 10-second bridge sit hold. Now together, press up into a bridge, then do 10 slow bridge sits. I will also put a timer on the screen when we get to the hold. Now hold for 10 seconds. Take a moment to relax your back once again. Moving on to knee arches. Cross the arms behind your head, then arch back as far as you can without letting your head drop behind the arms. We are going to do 10 of these. Let's get started. Now we are going to do knee arch holds, and for those of you who are more advanced, you are going to do triple fold holds. If you can arch back and hold this position, I want you to try to reach back and place both hands on the ground. From here, grab onto your toes, and if you can do this, try to grab onto your heels, then rest your forehead on the ground. This is called a triple fold. Based on your own flexibility level, decide on which position you are going to hold, and we are going to do 2 sets of 10 seconds. Time starts in 3, 2, 1. Reach forward into child's pose, then get ready for one more 10-second hold. Try to push yourself a little bit further on this next one. Time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only one more exercise to go. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your leg to the back as high as you can. From here, turn into a side inclination and reach the free arm up, then go back to an arabesque. Once again, turn to the side and lift your arm up towards the ceiling, and then go back to arabesque. We are going to repeat this exercise 5 times each side. Stretch out your hips, then get ready for the other side. Nice job! That is all for today's mini flexibility routine. If you enjoyed this video and would like to complete the full version, go to flex-abilities.com and subscribe.